Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about different OSPF areas and LSA type. With this single topology diagram, we will try to describe all corresponding LSA and area types. As you can see, in area 0, which is backbone area in OSPF, there are 7 routers in OSPF. Each interface belong to a particular area. Let's start with standard area 1 and we will traverse towards clockwise direction to cover other areas in this topology diagram. In standard area 1, you can see there are 5 LSA types from type 1 to type 5. Generally, in all type of OSPF areas, we will see LSA type 1, which is router LSA. In network area type broadcast network, where there is a DR/BDR election process, we will see LSA type 2, which is network LSA. In LSA type 3, which is network summary LSA, we are seeing this LSA because this router acts as an AVR router, which we already mentioned here by AVR, between two OSPF areas, and this router is connected with area 0, which is backbone area for this topology. So for each OSPF learned route, it will create summary LSA. There are 2 more LSAs in this standard area, which is LSA type 4 and LSA type 5. LSA type 4 is summary ASBR LSA and LSA 5 is AS external LSA. We are seeing these 2 LSA in standard area 1 because in area 0, there are other connected routers, which is in turn connected with OSPF external domain. Next area is OSPF stub area 2. In this type of stub areas in OSPF, there will be no LSA type 4 and LSA type 5 LSAs. Instead of these 2 LSAs, AVR router, which is AVR 1 here, will generate default route into stub area. So in this stub area, which is area 2 here, we will see LSA type 1, 2, 3. Next is totally stubby area, which is area 3 here. As you can see, in this area, we have one ASBR, which is ASBR 1 router here, which is connected with external router 2 using EIGRP protocol. In this area, there will be no LSA type 3. AVR 2 here will generate default route in this area, and ASBR 1 will generate LSA type 7, which is NSSA LSA, and AVR 2 will convert it into LSA type 5 and send it into backbone area. Next is NSA area, which is area 4 here. In this area, there are no type 4 and type 5 LSA, but there will be LSA type 3. As you know, in a stub area, there is no LSA 4 and LSA 5, but if we want to include ASBR router in a stub area, which is connected with external OSPF domain, ASBR router in this NSSA area, instead of generating LSA type 5, it will generate LSA 7, and AVR will convert it into LSA type 5 and send it to backbone area. One thing to mention here, only AVR will generate LSA type 4. Next area is totally NSSA area, where there is no LSA type 3. We can see only LSA 1, 2 and 7, and AVR 4 will generate default route into this area. After that, the next router will work as a ASBR and AVR router, which is connected with external router using another protocol, which is EIGRP here. Finally, let's discuss about OSPF virtual link. In OSPF, each non-backbone area needs to be contagious with backbone area. That means all other non-backbone areas needs to be connected directly with backbone area, which is area 0. As you can see here, router 4 is connected with router 3 via area 7, and router 3 is connected with AVR 5 via area 6, which means router 4 doesn't directly connected with area 0. In this type of scenario, to make area 7 contagious with area 0, we need to create OSPF virtual link between router 4 and router 5, which is AVR 5 here. So in this common diagram, we try to describe all different type of OSPF area and LSA type. I hope this information is helpful to you, and thank you for watching.